Hey guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back. And today I'm going to do my weekly vlog of my work. So it's 7:55 a.m. in the morning and I'm heading to my work. And it's my second week of my intern and I'm working in a eyelashes wholesale company in China. It's my first official job, so I'm really excited to do this and show you guys what I'm doing in work. Is that door is okay? 早。 Here's my seat. Today I'm cleaning the photo shoot room, just tidy up some boxes. After that I sweep the floor, just do some basic cleaning process, and that's it. And then I open my working app, check what my leader asking me to do today. Sometimes it will be some grammar check or translate job. After that, I was asking to do some photo shooting of my eyes wearing the lashes, like the before and after photo and boxes stuff. It's pretty. It's the second day after lunch and I was doing some video filming research, and I'm going to do a makeup tutorial video to show our lashes, and that's what I got. Morning guys, it's another day today and I've got a lot of job to do. I'm trying on these lashes today. It's a lot and I'm really excited, but I know that my eyes will feel bad after this. But let's get started. Day 4. Hey guys, it's me. It's day 4 today and I just finished the photo shooting in the morning, and I'm really excited today because I'm going to introduce a person to you guys. Is our top boss Oscar, and also he's not only the founder of the company, he's also the person who designed over 800 lashes for like the company. But you will be surprised that he doesn't look like a designer at all, but he's a super successful designer and he did great business. Yeah.
Hello, my great beauty with heart.
He's saying
This is my baby.
Oh, these are his babies.
Few moments later.
It's 1:30 p.m. now and I'm going to try on some new lashes that has not published yet for the Asian market, but it's like kind of like a secret I can't show you guys. So that's what I'm going to do.
'Cause I've been thinking about forever, and I swear it's just you and me. It might take us forever, but I don't mind 'cause it's meant to be. Or are you scared of the thought of falling like raindrops in stormy weather? Well, I can hold you close to me through it all. Yeah, we can be alone together.
How long have we known each other?
7, 8 years. Wow.
Long time. But over the past few weeks, I'm not quite sure.
Okay, well, you had asked me how long we knew each other, and I said 8 years. Now, here we are.
Yeah, here we are. I think I'm falling in love with you.
After getting all my job done, it's finally 6 p.m. I start to packing my stuff up and ready to go. I work 4 days per week, so it's my last day for this week. Because there's always a lot of traffic on Friday, so I normally Ubering home on Friday. But normally I will take the public transport.